But it was a chart that shows the difference between motivation and consistency. And so motivation, you have this like huge spurt that goes, really high and really intense, really fast. And then it quickly tapers off and it gets a little, smaller and smaller and smaller. And then there's consistency. And consistency it's much smaller than the initial like jump in motivation, but it just keeps going over, it just keeps going. And that consistency, even if it's lower, beats out the sporadic high-term motivation. And I feel like that's how I can define DAW Nation for the last couple of years, because that is exactly what I've been doing. I have been coming into the studio, into the office every single day for anywhere between 8 to 12 hours and just grinding. And I didn't stop. And I always worked on what was in front of me and what needed to be done next. And I tried my hardest to delegate, and I tried my hardest to do it in a way that was sustainable, and I had to pivot and change when I needed to, but I never stopped. I know, we had to take a break from the podcast and everything, but I never stopped. I've been in here grinding all the time. And so I hope that answers the question about where the have I been? Again, I said Frank, not which is so... Wow. You can tell I've been in here all by myself for way too long. DAW Nation, listen very closely. This is not the end to this content. This was a teeny tiny little snippet from our full episode. You can check out the full episode in the link in the description. And when you go to the free episode, you can get a free pack over there. So go check it out right now. Why are you still here? Get out of here. Go check it out. We'll see you over there.